I'm Angela Wolf, and I'm excited to tell you all about the PQ1500 SL sewing machine by Brother. This was my first Brother machine, and I still love it. The PQ1500 SL is an amazing machine that belongs in the sewing room of every serious quilter and seamstress. It's a high-speed, straight stitching machine sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute. Up to 1,500 stitches, that's fast. What comes in the box? You'll find 7 different presser feet, plus all these accessories and tools: feed pin, fabric separator, needles, bobbins, a foot controller, knee lift, and cover. The large workspace is great for big projects, and the heavy-duty construction sets this machine apart from the rest. Adding the included wide table enables you to further expand your work area. You get 7 presser feet with this machine. Included are the zipper foot and invisible zipper foot for zipper insertions, rolled hem foot for rolled hems, general purpose foot for basic straight stitching, and for quilting, the spring action quilting foot, 1/4-inch piecing foot, walking foot, and a seam guide. Not only can this machine stitch fast up to 1,500 stitches per minute, but it has a stitch length of up to 7 millimeters for sewing and basting. Just look at that. What a beautiful stitch. Don't like thready needles? The needle threader saves time and is so easy to use. I like these convenient features. You can set your needle to remain up or down when the machine stops by engaging the automatic needle up-down mechanism. When you're done with the row of stitches, simply touch the automatic thread cutter button and both the top and bobbin threads will be cut. Your threads will also be instantly reset and are ready to go again when you are. Are you using a thicker or thinner thread in your bobbin and need to adjust your tension? Simply turn this dial a little at a time until you've gotten your ideal tension. Conveniently placed and easy to use. The bright but gentle on the eyes LED light allows you to see what you're doing, even on dark fabrics. You can set the color-coordinated feed dog adjuster and the presser foot pressure dial, allowing you to sew with ease on all types of fabric, even special ones like velvet. Setting up the Brother exclusive pin feed mechanism on your PQ1500 SL allows you to feed multiple layers of fabric under the presser foot at once with precision. I can reach right in and access the bobbin through the side cover. The PQ1500 SL uses a metal bobbin both for durability and because it holds more thread. You wouldn't want a small bobbin on a machine that moves this fast now, would you? The location of this cover makes care and maintenance around the bobbin case a breeze. Once you have a knee lifter, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The removable knee lift enables you to lift your presser foot, leaving both hands free for maneuvering your fabric. You'll get both English and Spanish operation manuals in the box too.
Our strong and tough ST371 HD is the perfect machine for everyday sewing and mending on everything from durable outdoor fabrics to lightweight, elegant silks. This machine can handle layers of heavy fabrics due to the included metal needle plate for smoother fabric feeding and a heavyweight needle set. This includes a number 16 needle, great for heavyweight fabrics such as denim, canvas, and duck cloth. A number 14 needle, ideal for sewing layers of fabric. And a number 11 needle, perfect for everyday sewing and lightweight fabrics such as silks. Also included are 37 utility and decorative stitches for blind hems, stretch stitches, buttonholes, zipper insertion, and more. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the reverse sewing lever gives you added control right at your fingertips. Sew buttonholes with ease using the included one-step auto-size buttonhole and buttonhole foot. The ST371 HD comes complete with 6 sewing feet, including a spring action zigzag foot, non-stick foot, blind stitch foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and button sewing foot. Plus, the drop feed feature allows you to do free motion sewing. The spring action zigzag foot is invaluable for sewing over varying fabric thicknesses, while the non-stick foot glides over difficult surfaces with ease, improving stitch quality. The convertible flatbed to free arm sewing surface allows you to sew sleeves, pant legs, and bags. Included storage allows you room for your included accessories. With the automatic bobbin winding system and quick-set drop-in top bobbin, winding and loading bobbins are a breeze. The built-in handle allows the machine to easily go from sewing table to storage when not in use, and makes it an ideal machine to take along when joining in sewing events. The LEDs give you a bright work area to see details. Our strong and tough sewing machine gives you all you need for your everyday sewing and mending needs, including 37 built-in stitches, a one-step auto-size buttonhole, 6 sewing feet, an assortment of heavy-duty needles, extra spool pin, twin needle, and 4 bobbins. You'll love how easy the instructions are to follow with a DVD to get you started. And brother support. XR3774 sewing and quilting machine is great for beginners, yet offers so many beautiful built-in stitches and great accessories to keep you inspired. Lightweight yet made to last, this machine will be a joy to sew with for years to come. Even if you've never sewn before, you'll be set up and creating in no time with the included quick start guide and instructional DVD and the diagrams printed right on the machine. You'll love using the wide table for larger scale projects like quilts. In fact, a wide table is typically found only on more expensive models. The table slides on and off so quickly and its legs are sturdy, giving you stability. Quilters also love that this machine has a darning plate that allows them to do free motion quilting. It comes with a selection of quilting feet, even a walking foot, that's not often found on models in this price range. Our customers appreciate the foot pedal that gives you enough resistance so you feel you're more in control of the needle. And everyone appreciates how smooth and quiet this machine is to sew with. Whether you're sewing on denim, fleece, or several layers of quilt fabric, it's easy to get the tension just right. Enjoy the flatbed free arm convertible sewing surface, very useful when sewing cuffs and sleeves. This machine comes with an assortment of needles, including a twin needle, and a vertical spool pin to handle a wide variety of thread and fabric types. The advanced Easy Needle threading system allows your needle to be threaded with the touch of a lever. It includes 37 built-in stitches with stitches for sewing knits, overcasting, quilting, decorative sewing, blind hems, and more. Also included is the one-step buttonhole, automatically sized to fit your buttons, and the included button sewing foot assists with the easy attachment of buttons. This model comes complete with a full set of accessories, including 8 quick change sewing and quilting feet and a quilt guide. The quick change lever makes it incredibly easy to swap feet. Choosing your stitch is as easy as turning the dial. The exclusive Brother Quick Set Top Load bobbin stays in place and helps provide even stitch quality for fine sewing. The see-through cover helps you keep track of your bobbin thread. You'll also receive 4 bobbins so you can get right to sewing. Thread cutters are found on the Quick Set bobbin case and on the machine side. The XR3774 is so lightweight, weighing just over 12 pounds, that you'll take it along when sewing with friends. It also comes with a semi-hard cover to help protect it from dust in between sewing sessions. Plus, you'll love how easy the bilingual instructions are. Enjoy all the great built-in features including accessories and brother support with the versatile XR3774 from Brother.